What should we do now? What is going on? Very good. Let's go. Okay. What is this? Keep going. Oh my God. Help me. Help me. Ouch! Go, go, go! That's great! Oh. Wow! We have to help him. I am ready. Come on, let's go. We'll get there immediately. Let's go, let's go. We are always by your side. All right. I love my job. I'm going. Hurry up! Stop! Yeah, you've done a great job. It looks good. No problems. Whoa, that's great. You've done a great job. You are great! Yeah, you've done a great job! Uh-oh. What the heck is going on? It looks so scary. Oh, really? Wait! Please help me! Good fighting! Huh? Go, go, go! Run, run! Hurry up! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Don't worry, I'm here. Okay, let's go! Let's go!
Thanks for helping me, guide.
Help me! Help me!
Oh!
Hello! Is anybody here? Are you okay, buddy? Yes, I'm still fine.
Oh, no! Ouch! Come on! Come on! Come on! Let's go! No, 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 no! That's great! Call everyone over to help us!
La 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 la.
I will ask someone for help. I need your help! Follow me! Okay, we'll get there immediately. Let's start! Wonderful! Let's get down to work! Okay, done! Wow! Oh, very beautiful! Okay, done! Wow, it looks good! You've done a great job! Let's go home! Wow, great! Oh my god.
Something's wrong. Keep going. Slow down. It's very dangerous. Very good. Thanks. If you need help, give me a call. What do we do now? I love my job. I'm going. See you again. It's so nice to see you again. Come on, let's go. Hello, I've got a job for you. Here I come. So beautiful! I'll check it out. Yeah! You've done a great job! It looks good!
Whoa, that's great! Let's go home!
Oh no.
What?
What is going on?
Help me! Help me!
Okay,
Let's go!
very good.
Don't worry, you heard me. Let's get down to work.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody.
We have to finish the job within today.
No problems.
Okay, done. I love my job. Yeah, bravo. Bravo. We made it, made it.
Let's go home.
You done of a great job.
Wow!
So beautiful.
Okay, done. Come on, let's go. It's so nice to see you again.
Let's go home.